Alright, today we're looking at more word problems with our systems of equations, but today we're going to be able to solve them using our matrices. So these notes you should have gotten in class. If not, then they are available on my NetSchool page and also on the NHS page. It prints off 2 and 1. Just print it off and cut it in half or fold it over and tape it into your composition notebook. Okay, so first we have a company sells 3 types of movie gift baskets: a basic basket with 2 movie passes and 1 package of popcorn for $15.50. A medium basket has 2 passes, 2 popcorns, and 1 DVD for $37. The super basket has 4 movie passes, 3 packages of popcorn, and 2 DVDs, and costs $72.50. We want to find the cost of each item in the gift basket. So if you notice, we have movie passes, popcorn, and DVDs. So we have 3 variables here. This is going to be a 3x3 system as we set it up. So if we look at our basic package, we have 2 movie passes. So I'm going to do M for movies. M is the number of movie passes. We have popcorn, so I'm going to use P for the number of popcorn bags. And then we have DVDs, so I'm going to use D for number of DVDs. So we have 2 movie passes, 1 popcorn, so 2M plus 1P, and then no DVDs, but we need to hold that place, so we're going to say plus 0D. We need to go ahead and remind ourselves when we go and set up our plug-in into our matrix that we don't have a D, so I'm just going to put a 0D, and that equals $15.50. Next we have our medium basket, so 2 movie passes plus 2 popcorns plus 1 DVD will cost me $37. And our super basket is 4 movies plus 3 packages of popcorn plus 2 DVDs, and that costs $72.50. So there's my system of equations. You need to show me your equations, and then we can go into our matrix. I'm just going to go straight into my A inverse B to get my answer. So we just put in our coefficients. So 2, 1, 0, 2, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. My answer matrix, because we know that M, P, and D is equal to this. Okay, so my matrix, my variable matrix M, P, and D is equal to A inverse times B, which would be 1550, 37, and 7250. Okay, so if we go and type this into our equation, I'm going to use the other method of typing them in. So if you haven't seen this, I'm going to hit second matrix, go over to edit, and I want this to be a 3x3, so I'll type in 3, 3. Here you can hit enter to toggle between. So we have 2, 1, 0, 2, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. It's my first matrix. Then second matrix, we need to edit matrix B now, so we can type in our B matrix. It is a 3x1. So we have 15.5, 37, and 72.5. Our B matrix. We're going to hit second mode, or second quit to go home. Now we need to do A inverse B. So we'll do second matrix, hit enter to get matrix A, inverse, second matrix, go down and get B. So there's my A inverse B. When I hit enter, it shows me 7, 1.5, and 20. So that's telling me the cost of each item, because we know that that's M, P, and D. So we know that it's $7 per movie pass. We know the popcorn is $1.50 per popcorn pack. And we know that it's $20 per DVD. So that is the cost of each item in my baskets. Okay, next we have Joe the mad scientist is almost ready for his latest experiment. The problem is that he needs 5 gallons of a 19% goo solution, and he only has a 15% goo solution and a 25% goo solution. So he has 2 goo solutions, neither of them are 19%. So how much of each type of solution does he need to get his 5 gallons of 19% goo? So here we only have 2 variables. We have our 15% goo and our 25% goo. We know that we need 5 gallons of this goo solution. So if X is going to stand for my 15% solution, so this is the gallons of 15% solution, Y will be the gallons of my 25% solution. We know we need 5 total gallons of our solution. So we know that the amount I put in of my 15% plus the amount I put in of my 25% has to equal my 5 gallons. Now what we know is we're going to put in 15% solution times the number of gallons of that 15% solution. So this will be 15% times the number of gallons plus 25% times the number of gallons of that will equal, we want a 19% solution. So if we set this equal to 0.19, that doesn't really make sense because it's saying a 15% times the number of gallons, 25% times the number of gallons. This needs to be 19% times the number of gallons, which we know to be 5. So we'll do 0.19 times 5, which when you actually do that, you end up getting 0.95. So if we look at this, we set up our matrix. We've got a 1, 1, because my coefficients are 1, 0.15, 0.25, inverse, times our B matrix, which is 5 and 0.95. We know that this is x and y, so x and y are equal to A inverse times B. So we'll go in and set this up. So if we go, here we'll do the alpha zoom method, alpha zoom, 2 by 2. We've got 1, 1, 0.15, 0.25, inverse, times alpha zoom, 2 by 1. We've got 5 and 0.95. Hit enter. And that will tell us 3 and 2. So that means 3 gallons. X is standing for my 15%, so 3 gallons of 15% goo and 2 gallons of 25% goo solution to get Joe the mad scientist the right amount of goo.